Have you ever dieted and you try to exercise, you try to limit the foods that you love, you try to portion, you try to change everything about your lifestyle at once to lose weight, and you hit burnout and you end it there? That was me time and time and time again. I have been on the diet cycle so many times, especially since having children. I gain weight, I lose weight, I gain weight, I lose weight. And that all stopped once I made this one choice back in June 2020. I became an intermittent faster. I made the decision I'm going to fast 18 hours a day, and I have done that almost every single day since then. It's been 2.5 years. I lost weight, I've maintained weight loss, and best of all, I have lost the diet brain. I no longer have the mental fatigue of should I, shouldn't I. I've enjoyed eating almost every single day since then, and I've loved this journey of intermittent fasting. And I'm here to tell you, if you're wondering, can I lose weight? Can I find sustainable lifestyle with intermittent fasting if that's all that I focus on? It was possible for me, and I believe it's possible for every single person. That one choice that I made was a commitment to fast. It didn't have anything to do with what I ate in my eating window. It didn't have anything to do with exercising. It was choosing, I'm going to fast. I'm going to eat in a small eating window, and I'm going to fast every day. And that's what I've done. It can be a success without perfection. I went from overweight to a very healthy weight within 5 months. Am I as skinny as I could be? No. Does that bother me? Also no. I'm not looking to be model thin. I'm not trying to have a bikini body that you'd see on Sports Illustrated. I wanted to find a comfort level for me that I was comfortable in my own skin, comfortable in clothes, and that I felt healthy. I feel healthy. I'm so grateful for the body that I have, what it does for me. And I'm so grateful that with intermittent fasting, I feel good in my body for the first time in my adult life on a regular basis. I've had fabulous blood tests. My medical provider's on board. My eyesight has improved. My skin has improved. I reversed my fatty liver. I've had so many benefits from intermittent fasting, and it all started with that one choice, to fast every single day. Because I have the freedom and the variety, I no longer feel like if donuts are in front of me, I need to eat 6 of them because I don't know when I'll allow myself to eat donuts again. If I want a donut, I eat one, but I don't have the obsessive thoughts of, oh, I just wish I could go get a donut. Obviously, donuts are something I love. That's why I always use this example. But I used to say, I'm not going to eat donuts. I'm not going to eat them because they're bad for me. Do I understand that it's not a health food or that no one's going to put it on a plate and say this is the food that you should be eating every day? Obviously, I understand that. I get it. But it's still something that I love. And if I tell myself I cannot have donuts, I will obsess about them. And eventually I'll break down from whatever path I was on that didn't allow me to eat donuts, and I'll eat 6 of them. And that's not an exaggeration. I am sure there's been a time or two where I've ate 6 Krispy Kremes. They go down easy. Just saying. But that doesn't happen with fasting because I no longer feel trapped. I get to eat what I want every single day because I focus on the fast, and then I get to enjoy my eating window. That means there is room for a donut when I want a donut. It's not every day. I understand that my path wouldn't be as successful if I ate a donut every day, but there is room for me to enjoy foods that I like every single day. And the really cool thing is once you're an experienced faster, I've been doing this 2.5 years. If I wanted to add fitness routine onto my schedule, if I wanted to change my diet, I am good enough at fasting that I don't feel like it would be overwhelming. If I try to change everything at once, it's impossible. I become overwhelmed, I hit fatigue, and then I quit. And then I'm back to my lifestyle. I don't know how many times I gained and lost 20 to 40 pounds in my adult life, but it was a lot. I was always either trying to lose weight or saying, screw it, I don't care, I just want to eat foods that I like. It was a constant pendulum between the two. Dieting or eating foods that I like, and I never was at peace until I found fasting because I absolutely love the flexibility fasting gives me. I limit the time that I'm eating. It allows me to eat foods that I enjoy in a short amount of time and not overdo it. Here on my channel, I show you an everyday person eating everyday food every day. Whether I'm doing OMAD, a down day, an up day, all of that is explained on my channel. I have a variety of videos. A new one comes out every Saturday, but I share with you my lifestyle as an everyday person who has found so much joy and success in intermittent fasting. I no longer fret, should I, shouldn't I, how much can I? I'm either eating or I'm not, and it really is that simple. It is a choice to fast and the rest follows. You may not lose weight right away. You may not see the same results that I did in the same time period, but fasting has so many benefits. I took the time to research, to read, to find out about fasting. I'm not an expert. I don't have a medical degree or nutritionist or dietitian, and I will never try to pretend that I do. I'm just someone who's really benefited from fasting. I love to talk about it. I love to share my experiences as a friend that can encourage you on your journey as well. If you're interested in seeing another intermittent faster who implements the fasting lifestyle much like I do, you should check out Ryan's channel. Ryan and I have very similar journeys and approaches to intermittent fasting. I really would like to thank Ryan for collaborating, and you should definitely check out his new video on his channel right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, donna, ciao.